I was fine just getting by, keeping my heart on a short leash. Every smile was a disguise, so quiet. Every love felt temporary. Then you walked into the room, you did, like you knew me already. Didn't ask me who I was, no, you just saw me clearly. I don't know when it happened, when it did, but the walls fell down slow. Now every road I take feels like it's leading home. If love had a sound, every beat, every breath feels easier than the rest. You don't try to save me, you just stay when I'm weak. If love had a sound, it'd be you choosing me. You don't promise me the world, no promises. You just hold me when it's shaking. You don't say it's gonna okay, but it is, somehow it is when you say it. I've been learning how to trust, learning how to let it show. I don't need to be perfect, I just need you close. I used to fear the silence, now I crave the calm. Every second with you feels exactly where I belong. If love had a sound, it'd be your laugh at 2 a.m. Every scar, every doubt, it feels lighter when I'm with you. Then you don't try to change me, you just see what I can be. If love had a sound, it'd be you choosing me. It'd be you choosing me. Maybe someday the sky falls down, maybe life breaks our hearts somehow, but I'd still choose you in the dark. I'd still choose you where we are. If love had a sound, it'd be the way you say my name every time, every way. It still hits me the same. I don't need forever, I just need today. If love had a sound, I'd let it play. I'd let it play. I'd let it play.